Ever wondered how to make the most out of ChapGPT 4 Turbo? Well, ponder no more. This guide unravels the secrets to mastering this advanced conversational AI model. First off, ChapGPT 4 Turbo is not just another chatbot. It's an intelligent tool designed to understand and respond to your inquiries in a natural human-like way. It is the child of OpenAI's GPT-4 model, but turbocharged to offer faster, more efficient, and cost-effective interactions. The first trick to unlocking its potential is understanding the temperature setting. This controls the randomness of the AI's responses. Higher values produce more random outputs, while lower values yield more deterministic responses. Adjusting this setting tailors the AI's responses, making them as wild or as tame as you desire. Next, we dive into the max token setting. This limits the length of the model's response. If you're looking for a short and sweet answer, keep this number low. However, for a detailed explanation, crank this up a notch. Now, let's tackle the input. The art of crafting an effective prompt is crucial to your ChapGPT 4 Turbo experience. Be clear and explicit in your instructions. The more specific your prompt, the more accurate and helpful the response. A pro tip here, use system-level instructions. These instructions guide the model's behavior throughout the conversation. For example, specifying that you want the model to speak like Shakespeare will influence how it responds, adding a fun twist to your interactions. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you interact with ChapGPT 4 Turbo, the better you'll get at crafting effective prompts and adjusting the settings to get the results you want. In summary, mastering ChapGPT 4 Turbo involves understanding and adjusting the temperature and max token settings, crafting clear and specific prompts, and using system-level instructions to guide the AI's behavior. So, go ahead, experiment, and have fun. ChapGPT 4 Turbo is not just a tool, it's a playground for your imagination.